So this is the Amazon Fire TV stick, and today I'll be showing you how to install HBO Max on your Fire Stick or Fire Cube or on Amazon Fire TV. So what you want to do is simply from the home screen, go to the search function at the top there, this one right here. With that function highlighted, scroll down and click on the search bar and then simply type HBO. And as you type, you're actually going to see some suggestions at the bottom there. So simply go ahead and go to HBO Max, select that, and you should find HBO Max in the results. Select that one, and then click on the download button, which is normally somewhere here. Because I had it before, mine looks slightly different, but if it's your first time, it might look something like this. So select and allow the HBO Max application to be downloaded and installed on your Fire TV. With the installation complete, you can launch HBO Max from here by simply selecting open with the remote, or you can simply go back home, then go to all apps. This is the all apps icon. Make sure it's highlighted, select it, and then find HBO Max somewhere here. So here it is. If you want to move it to the home screen, simply press the three-line button on the remote, this one right here, this one. So select that and select move, and then you can now use the directions on your remote to place the HBO Max application exactly where you want it. So let's place it there and then go back home. And there's the HBO Max icon on the home screen. So from here, you can launch HBO Max, sign into your account, and enjoy some HBO Max content. Thanks for watching and good luck.